Welcome students. Today we will read English Grammar chapter 5 Nouns, Proper Nouns. Nouns, Proper Nouns. Page number 20. All of you look at your book, page number 20. Proper Nouns. Define proper nouns. Proper nouns are nouns that give special names to people, places, animals or things. Once again I am telling, proper nouns are nouns that give special names to people, places, animals or things. Clear? Proper nouns always begin with capital letters. So when we will start writing about proper nouns, at that time we will start capital letter, means first letter should be capital letters. Clear? So we will give special name, then we will start the first letter capital letters. Clear? First letter should be capital letter. Here one story given. I am just reading the story, then you can understand which one is your proper noun. Let's read the story. Once upon a time, there was a village called Lillipole. A poor woman, Jane, lived there with her son Jack. They had a cow called Sports. Sports gave milk every day and Jack sold it on each Sunday to get money. One day, Sports did not give any milk, so Jack sold it to an old man named Mr. Timberlake. Mr. Timberlake did not have money, so he gave Jack some magic beans. So here you just see some red ink letters. So here Lillipole, Jane, Jack, Sports, Sunday, Mr. Timberlake. So these are your proper nouns. Understood? Why? Because it has a special name. Clear? Special name and first letter is written capital. It has written in capital letter. Clear? First letters are capital letters. So these are proper nouns. Clear all of you? These are proper nouns. Lillipole, Jane, Jack, Sports, Sunday, Mr. Timberlake. These are proper nouns. Clear? Now we will go through the exercises. Here that page number 20, exercises number 1. Underline the proper nouns in the sentences given below. Clear? Underline the proper nouns in the sentences given below. So we have to underline which one is a proper noun. Clear? Which one is a proper noun, we have to underline that one. So I have underlined here. So you will also underline in your book. So number 1, Sima went to Chennai with her family. So you just see here Sima and Chennai. These are special names. Clear? Sima and Chennai. So you have to underline Sima and Chennai. Then number 2, Mr. Agarwal has a pet dog named Pari. Clear? Mr. Agarwal has a pet dog named Pari. So here Mr. Agarwal and Pari. These two are proper nouns. Clear? Then number 3 to 10. Number 3 to 10, you just see I have written here. You just see the answers and you will also write down in your book. Number 2. Rewrite these sentences by using capital letters where necessary. Clear? Rewrite these sentences by using capital letters where necessary. So, where is it necessary, you will write capital letters. Here examples given. India is my motherland. So, here I it has written in small letter. So, it is incorrect. That is wrong. Then, India is my motherland. Here I is capital letter. So, the sentence is correct. That is right. So, here the Qutub Minar is at Mehruli. So, here the first letter. So, here T is capital letter. Then Qutub Minar. Here name of a place. So, Q will be capital letter. You will write capital letter and M also capital letter. E is at Mehruli. Mehruli also name of a place. So, M also capital letter. So, the Qutub Minar is at Mehruli. So, T is capital letter. Here Q is capital letter. Here M is capital letter. Here M is capital letter. Then number 2. Lucknow is the capital of Uttar Pradesh. Clear? Lucknow is the capital of Uttar Pradesh. Here Lucknow, name of a place. So, L should be capital letter. You will write capital letter L. Then Uttar Pradesh. Also, name of a place. So, that is U. Also capital letter. P also capital letter. Clear? Then number 3. This bus will take you to Delhi. Here, this, the sentence, first letter of the sentence. So, T is capital letter. Then, Delhi. Delhi is the name of a place. D also capital letter. Then, number 4 to 10. Number 4 to 10, I have written here. You just see and you also write down like this in your book. Number 2 answer from 1 to 10. Then page number 21, number 3. Choose proper nouns from the sentences given below and write them in the space provided. Clear? Choose proper nouns from the sentences given below and write them in the space provided. That means you have to choose the proper noun. Then here space given, space provided. So you will write the answer here. So here number 1. Mr. Smith rides a motorcycle. Clear? Mr. Smith rides a motorcycle. Here, Mr. Smith, name of a person. Name of a person. So, it is a proper noun. So, you will write here Mr. Smith. Here the space given, you will write here Mr. Smith. Then, page number 22. Page number 22. Here, we call Gandhiji Bapu. Clear? We call Gandhiji Bapu. Here Gandhiji, name of a person. Bapu also name, one name. So, it is your proper noun. Clear? Then, we went to see the Taj Mahal at Agra on Sunday. We went to see the Taj Mahal at Agra on Sunday. So, here Taj Mahal, Agra, Sunday. You will write here, these are your proper noun. Then, from 4 to 10. From 4 to 10, I have written here. You just see and you will also write it in your book. Then number 4, complete the table by writing the names of the missing days and months. Clear? Complete the table by writing the names of the missing days and months. First months of the year are here. You will write down January, then February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. 12 months. Clear? Then days of the week are Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Some of the days already written. So missing days you will write down. Here like missing month, here missing days. Clear? I have also written here. You just see. You will also write down like this. This is months. This is days. Then number 5. Complete the sentences given below. Number 5. Complete the sentences given below. Here help box given. Number 1. Dash is the last month of the year. You will choose answer from this help box. Dash is the last month of the year. So here December, because we know that from January to December we have 12 months. The first month is January, the last month is December. So then dash is the last month of the year. December is the last month of the year. Then number 2, dash are the tallest mountain ranges in the world. Dash are the tallest mountain ranges in the world. The Himalayas. Clear? The Himalayas. Then number 3. Sneha is going out of Delhi on dash. Sneha is going out of Delhi on Tuesday. Clear? Then number 4 to 10. I have written answer here. You just see, and also you have to complete it in your book. Thank you.